Good day! Today, we are going to understand more about the laws of motion. Who is Isaac Newton? Isaac Newton was an English mathematician and scientist who discovered the three laws of motion. In 1687, what is inertia? Is a property of an object that resists change in its motion. The first law of motion. An object at rest remains at rest unless acted by unbalanced force. And the first law is the law of inertia. Of inertia states that an object at rest remains at rest unless acted by an external force. An object stopped through the air, the friction of the ground, and by the unbalanced force. Second law of motion, law of acceleration, states that an object is directly proportional to the magnitude of the net force acting on it, and it's inversely proportional to its mass. Acceleration is the rate of change in the velocity of an object, or expressed as force is equal. The unit of force is Newton, mass in kilogram, and acceleration in meter per second square. The more force you apply, the quicker you accelerate. The law of acceleration depends on net force and mass. Imagine in the second video, the boy has 67 mass. More mass, the lesser you accelerate. The more mass. The third law of motion, law of interaction, states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. When you push the pedal, the parts of the tire which touches the ground push it backward are called reaction. The ground also pushed the tire forward with the same force. It called action force. When we sit on the chair, our body exerts a downward force on the chair, called action force. The chair also exerts an upward force in the body called the reaction force. Action-reaction force. Two forces are equal in size. Two forces are opposite to each other. Two forces has the same line of action. Action acts on one object while reaction acts on another object.